My greetings to all my dear viewers and my wishes also to each and every one of you who are really responsible for me to continue this channel, that is Jacintha's Spoken English channel. So in the last video we have done something about pronouns. 2 videos we have done about pronouns, and several videos also we have done something or other about pronouns, because pronouns are very important. So pronouns are many and we can use them in different situations. Pronouns can be even interrogative pronouns. When we say, who comes here, who came along with you, whom are you looking at, like that, when we ask such questions, the answer will be for a person, that is a noun. So instead of that person only we use this question, this word, when, what, all the WH words, who, all these can be used as interrogative pronouns. That is, they are interrogatives. When we use them in interrogative sentence, we can even give them a position in grammar as interrogative pronouns. Whom are you talking with? So that means it comes a person, no? I am talking with Banu. Banu is a person. Instead of that noun, that proper noun, we are using that pronoun. Whom are you talking with? Then when we say even, where are you coming from? It is, the answer will be a place. That is also a noun, no? Where are you coming from? I am coming from Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun. So where is again an interrogative pronoun. So all these WH words can be used as interrogative sentences. They are used in the interrogative sentences, and they are the interrogative words, and they can also be termed as interrogative pronouns. Then we have got emphatic pronouns. I think all of us have done in our lower classes, in the school level and in the college level. Let us give a revision for it. Just let us revise and let us think of using them in certain sentences in our day-to-day conversation. Emphatic pronouns. So suppose a friend comes to our house for a dinner, or a nephew is coming, or a niece is coming, or an aunt is just tasting the dinner, and she says, oh, what a tasty one it is, how crispy it is very tasty, it is delicious. All these words only we commonly use for food. Delicious food, sumptuous dinner. So let us have few words in this way. When we look into thesaurus, we will get a multi number of words. But from the very beginning, I had been telling you in my videos, that is, it is better always to use very simple words which can be understood by the speaker as well as by the listener, because this is just for communicating our thoughts and views. There are many words in thesaurus, and many words can be understood through dictionary also. Many even do not know what is thesaurus, because there were few calling me and asking me about thesaurus, what is it is. It is a book like dictionary, a small one or a big one or whatever it is. In all the Cambridge, Oxford and all, we have thesaurus. Thesaurus is a book where we find similar words. For suppose we take and see good. For good, we can say you are a good child, you are a nice baby, you are a charming baby, you are an intelligent person. So goodness has all these words, So it will have a multi number of words like this. Maybe for each word you will, according to the capacity of the dictionary, you will have for each word maybe 10 when it is a small dictionary, small thesaurus, 10 words. Or for a bigger one, 50 words even will be there. Similar, you can always have thesaurus for our improving our spoken English, because with the same ideas we will be able to get more words. More words when you collect, when you keep in your mind, or when you write down in your diary, see that those words are very simple and commonly used words Then only what we speak will be understood by the listener. This is what I had been stressing from the very beginning. That is why in all my videos I am using very simple, commonly used words with simple examples about our day-to-day events, because we are trying to develop our English only for expressing our thoughts and views, and also to explain the events which are happening every day. Maybe last evening what we had in our dinner, we will explain to our friend. Last night I enjoyed the delicious dinner in my aunt's house. My aunt is a very good cook, an expert cook, not simply expert, a person with interest for cooking. She enjoys cooking. She likes to learn more and more. That is why she goes through the recipe very often. She discusses with her friends and she makes very delicious dinner. Always she prepares a delicious dinner with a variety of dishes. When we try to explain all these, maybe to another friend, it should be in a simple language with simple words. And now coming to our emphatic pronouns. Suppose I just started with yesterday's dinner. When my aunt asked me or my friend asked me, how did you make this? Did you make? Is it true? It is so tasty. Were you able to do by yourself? When we ask, maybe she will say, yes, I myself did it. That is what is emphatic pronoun. I myself cooked. That is myself. I myself made this flower. I myself stitched this blouse. So this is what is giving emphasis. So myself is for I. Then for ourselves we call it, we make it for we. Then same for yourself. Then himself. All these. Now these are all emphatic pronouns. Then reflexive pronouns are also there. Suppose there is a cut in my finger, and my friend asks me, what has happened to your finger? What did you do? Did you fight with your brother? Did you work in the kitchen? Did you do gardening? How did you get this? What happened? There may be a flow of words like this, a large number of questions for which we may answer. I hurt myself. That is what is reflexive pronoun. Nobody hurt me, I hurt myself. It's myself only word. This is emphatic is I myself did it. I myself cleaned the room. I myself painted this picture. I myself cooked it. That is emphatic, that is emphasizing a point. And reflexive pronouns are I hurt myself. When we say it is a reflexive pronoun. I hurt myself. H-U-R-T. Myself. This is what is reflexive pronoun. So we have, in the same way we can use for I, we, you, he, she, it and all. So like this pronouns, there are many pronouns. We have done relative pronouns. We can even do little more for relative pronouns, because there are many items regarding that, and the students who are going to appear for the examinations will need it for their examination point of view. So we will do more and more, and anyhow whatever is done, view them again and again, so that all these points will be imprinted in your mind, which can be very well used in your spoken English. Bye for today.